Okay. All right, so we've got the two sides and the top of the U-boat already deflated and folded up. So now we have the base. He's taken the outboard off the transom, and we're fixing to start deflating the base. This concrete is super hot on my feet. Lift it up to the top back. You cannot take the transom off of the base of the U-boat until it has been deflated some. And so don't ever try to yank that thing off with a fully inflated base, or it will, I don't know what it would do, but I don't want to try it. So now it's got a little bit of budge to it, so yeah, so it came off of there. So I think that I didn't hit record earlier when we were doing something, but so I'll just say it again. So if you're somewhere remote, say like we went to the Keys and we took the U-boat down there, when we got done for the day, you know, it's not like we had a place to like to rinse it off and like let it air dry and everything. So we just deflated it, put it in the tote. And then when we got back to where we were staying, got it out, blew it back up real quick, and then rinsed everything off, let it dry, folded it up, and put it in its tote. Because you want to make sure that you, especially like if you're in salt water or whatever, you want to make sure you spray fresh water over it to get any of that salt off. Salt is never good for anything. So we just really want to make sure that we take care of our U-boat. Because they are being stored, you wouldn't want it to be wet. Because we all know what that does in heat. It causes mold. So we don't want any of that. Trying to think. We'll let this one deflate and then get all the air out of it, and then we'll fold it up. And we're at the clubhouse today, so we'll just put the U-boat in this little wheelbarrow thing and take it up to the truck. The truck we have today with us, we just have a Rubbermaid tote that we'll put the boat in. The bigger pieces, which is the base and the two sides, normally take about 2 minutes to deflate with the use of the shop vac. And so it's really a quick process, taking it down and packing it up.
Treatment, like you say, actual boats, if you don't have these like haul out trailers, store trailer or a boat, you don't have to paint it, bottom paint like that, but you still need to maintain it and make sure this boat is still around for years to come. You know, proper maintenance.
Fold up. So.
Alright, come down all that stuff. We're going to fold it all the way down.
Okay, Jamie, we can.
Huh?
thought we were doing it that way.
No. Make sure your edge is exactly.
My edge is fine. You just messed that up, but
Okay, ready? This side. Down. Back.
all right, and there's the base. So we'll load this up in our little wheelbarrow since we're just down here at the dock. And that's one of the side pieces. And that's the side piece and the top piece right there. So, that right there, my friends, is the U-boat. In that one container, well, then you have the engine right there. So, as you can see, it's definitely compact, and as long as you have a big enough trunk or like an SUV or something, then you should be able to transport this just fine.